Back from the beach, heading down the boardwalk to go get their rinse off. And here's Miss Violet. Okay, there she is. Okay, go see Daddy, go. They put a new hose so we can wash them off more easily. It's like a kitchen sink sprayer. You see, you'll walk over a lot of vegetation, and then there's water, fresh water, right here, and then notice the sign. We won't be feeding any alligators. However, we had a big frog that jumped on Noel's neck off of the wall of the house last night when he opened the door at night to go take the dogs out to the bathroom. And here is the washdown location. Okay, you got him in the corral. Go into the corral, Mr. Marlin. I have Violet. He used to be such a fighter about this. He did not like that. Okay, Violet's turn. That's not Violet's favorite thing. But it feels good, doesn't it, girl? You get her undercarriage? Yeah, you did. She's tripping. Okay. Now we take a drier walk. Just to let them dry off a little bit before we get back in the house. Okay. It's a really nice place. If you have a dog, this is the place to come. Because all these houses around here, each unit determines whether they allow dogs. And most of them do. So sometimes we've been here, there have been as much as 10 dogs here, and we all can go on the beach together and all that kind of thing.